Do you want to know a legit way of how to get Tears of the Kingdom for really cheap and not spend $70? To be honest, I was a little bit skeptical of buying this off of Temu. However, I read a bunch of reviews and I got the game today. And as you can see, it just has Japanese writing on it. The game card is also in Japanese. On the Switch home screen, you can clearly see that the game is in English. And even the text is also in English. I didn't have to change any of the settings. The game is working. And yeah, I got this game for $32. So I will put the link in the description. But if you are tight on money and you don't want to spend $70, but you also want to play this game, I would highly recommend it and take that leap of faith.